Welcome to Terrawagen and the ID Buzz Bumper Buddy installation. Here's a list of items that you'll need for the installation. First, we're going to take a piece of 2-inch blue tape and place it about center of the two bumper sensors. And measure off from the edge of one of the bumper sensors to the center, which is 12 inches exactly. Place a mark on the tape. Take another piece of blue tape and put it in about the center point of the bumper buddy. And I want you to measure from the edge to the center, which is going to be 23 inches. Place a mark on that piece of blue tape. 12 inches and 23 inches. Now you can shift the part side to side until you find dead center. That's dead center when the two lines mark up. Prior to adhering the part to the bumper, we need to clean it with alcohol. Use the included alcohol wipe and clean the top of the painted surface. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to prep the tape for adhesion. So we're going to pull up the tangs of the 3M VHB tape and we're going to fold them over. So try to put a crease in it with your thumb on all four corners. So we're going to tilt the part so that the lines mate, and now we're going to pivot the bumper buddy into place. Just tack the corners, and now we're going to start pulling the tape. So start either from the right or the left on the back. Gently pull the tape up, exposing the adhesive side of the tape. Now we're going to do the front side, and to assist getting the tape tang out, pull up slightly on the bumper buddy. We're going to remove the tape and apply 25 pounds of force or pressure on the entirety of the VHB tape. And here's the finished product, ready to protect the bumper for years to come. More ID Buzz products at Terrawagen.com.